Welcome to our video showing how to use the Neria multi-infusion set. Wash your hands and choose the insertion sites on your body as recommended by your healthcare professional. Clean the insertion sites and leave to dry. Open the package and take out the content. Connect the infusion set to the pump. Grab the wings and fill the tubing with the medication according to the instructions provided by the pump manufacturer. Be sure there is no air in the tubing. Remove the paper from the adhesive tape. Remove the needle guard with a gentle twist and pull. Insert the needle at a 90-degree angle. Gently press the adhesive tape onto the skin. Repeat the insertion steps for all needles. Thank you for watching this film.